guys, it's Gonna Go here, and today we're going to be making slime, but we are. So I have a visitor. She has the bricks we use, and it's just unicorn. So sometimes she calls me slime queen because hers doesn't turn out and mine does. Because I just add stuff that I don't know how to add for some reason. So we did grab the soap.
We're not going to use the soap today.
Wait.
I'm not using the soap. So there's this here, you're going to say the ingredients.
So first, we have the big
Elmer's clear
glue. So next, the stuff for our decorations are googly eyes.
Yeah, that's my idea. Here,
The food coloring is pink, but Shelby says
this one's orange.
She says it's orange.
Because when I was little, I changed the caps. That one's definitely blue or purple.
And then blue.
Blue and purple to me are strange.
Blue?
I think I'm blue and purple colorblind. Because that looks purple to me.
So, and then our stuff. So our stuff is this. It's our borax stuff activator. And then we have this that I'm gonna be using. She's not because she doesn't want to waste. And this is from the bathroom down here. Okay, so here's our bowls, and we have a spoon. So first things first, we're gonna be adding our Elmer's glue.
But I'm adding it because my sister used this much to make a giant slime.
Oh yeah, from my last video, this.
So now when she does slimes, I'm pouring the glue.
I went to follow slime that I made. And then we have this guy slime I made from the videos. Leo. Yes. I just you know. So she's gonna be pouring in because
I poured a lot more than I do.
I want a little more.
No.
So now that we have ours,
now
we're gonna add this.
If you want it clear, then you
just leave it. And then you add this, and then you mix it, and then you add this, and then your decoration.
If you want it to be clear, don't go because it'll make bubbles in it. And if you don't want bubbles, then don't go so fast. So we're gonna add coloring
super fast.
Don't go
this.
Because it starts to make bubbles in it, and I don't like bubbles. So you gotta go really slow. So
That's how you know it's good. So I'm gonna add 7 squirts of soap.
I'm gonna add food coloring because I don't like adding that thing. That thing is.
I think this is purple actually. So now I add the minty
Never mind, it's blue.
Thing. Sorry, but check the thing. Check that.
Wait, do you want me to do not this color, but that color?
No, but check the cat that. Pink.
So this one's pink, but I actually think this is red.
Oh, it is red.
So this is red. This isn't rose. So this is pink.
This is pink, but it is red.
It's red. So I changed the colors when I was little. So.
Yeah, and then one time we baked cookies and we accidentally put the wrong color in. Yeah. But it'll show before. So now I'm going to add the blue food coloring.
This blue is not really strong.
Hey, at least you got a blue.
Here, I'm gonna take some from the cat. Gotta be patient when the glue comes out.
Oh yeah, some glue came in there.
Wow! Yours is like a baby blue. So this is without adding the soap.
And this is with adding soap.
So if you want it to be a baby blue, grab like any soap, but don't let it be foaming soap. I heard you had to add foaming soap, but I didn't add foaming soap.
This is soft soap, hand soap, and it is minty sheer.
We got it for Christmas.
Well, our mom got it, and then I decided she decided to use it.
Well, you're the one that started to use it. So now she's gonna start adding activator, and I'm gonna add my googly eyes.
Why is it so tiny?
So there's different googly eyes. There's like these giant googly eyes and these like little medium googly eyes. And there's like these little tiny googly eyes. Googly eyes are gonna be watching you, Sophia. That's all I can say. Oh. That googly eye just eye popped right into my slime.
It's like, I'm ready to go in.
It's like, I'm ready to skydive.
So if anybody asks what's the difference between these, this one's lighter
And this one's clear.
No, that one's darker.
Yeah, because I added more. Well, I added a little more.
Food coloring.
Yeah.
So
now I'm going to mix it.
So this would be the only slime video for today, because we're going to be waiting until Christmas.
To make a whole another one. I bet Sophia has more on her schedule for tomorrow. Wait, Sophia, especially tomorrow, do you have any videos for tomorrow?
Do you?
No. I haven't made my schedule yet.
Maybe a morning routine, maybe a night routine, maybe what I do in the afternoon.
Well, in the afternoon.
Or the day.
At night, you can't do a night routine because I have volleyball tonight. For tomorrow.
Unless if I just wait, yeah, I would do that. I have to do something. I'm going to have to pour this in because this thing's tiny.
Okay, so I'm putting it in right now in my googly eye blue dark slime. Comment down below what I should call this. I have no clue.
I'm going to call this winter snow slime.
All of her slimes are called winter.
Hey,
They all start with winter.
Because you want to know what comes?
This is going to
you
be
want to know
ice
what
slime.
comes to my mind?
What? Christmas?
Yes.
This is going to be ice slime. Well, ice ball.
You should name it ice slime.
Ice slime.
It's like I spy.
But ice slime.
Yeah.
I should name it ice slime. Well, comment down below what comment should I comment this.
Oh, I will comment and tell her somebody commented. Beware.
Okay, so I've been mixing it really fast, and mine has all these like bubbles.
I've been mixing it gracefully, but has bubbles in it.
Because yours is adding soap.
Woo!
Daddy, are you gonna cook dinner?
What if we had macaroni and cheese?
No, I don't like macaroni and cheese.
We could have some.
It makes my stomach hurt.
It's mine hurt. Not for what I'm
Eyeball.
gonna eat is my Lunchable.
If that's it, you could eat your Lunchable. So this is what it looks like right now. I feel like it doesn't have that much borax.
Same. Mine is so watery. Mine is so watery.
Mine is also like, mine is starting to come together. That's because I didn't add the soap like
Mine
Sophia
is
did.
watery.
Look at, mine is not so watery. Yours is almost the same as mine.
Ah! Stabbed you.
Okay, I have borax on the back. So, what about the...
Honestly, I don't even think you added some.
I did.
But I want you to do it. Now I'm gonna mix it. One more open. Watch it.
we gonna make a part 2 of this?
No. You just want to make videos and videos and videos. So.
I'm just wondering because I don't want to make them. You made the part 2. I want to be in it. I just want to clarify. I would not be in it.
Like, I mean, I could do it.
Yeah, I could do a part 2, but I think I'll be in it. But
like, you could make it off to the side.
I could. If you want me to be in it, I would.
If you want to.
Are we even gonna make a part 2? Yeah. This is how my slime is gonna be right now. Just being a butthead.
Cause you're one.
You're Santa Claus. Oh. So this is how my slime is right now, and I did not add the soap, and it's so soapy.
I'm gonna have to hold my slime back and pour the stuff back. A little back in.
Oh, like this, you're holding it. You're pouring some liquid into it.
Did you pour slime in liquid? No. I was about to say, lady, if you did, you'll be in big trouble. Spaghetti.
Is it too nice now to say spaghetti? No.
Remember all the vids I said, if it sounded pokey, then yeah, you have a good sign. But she, next door, whenever I was making that video in the room, she was sticking her ear against and listening to it. And probably writing down the ingredients to make a good slime.
I just saw the ingredients because you went down and I just decided to add all the ingredients.
Wait, so you heard me doing it step by step?
Yeah.
So you decided to listen to it?
Yeah.
Copyright FBI.
I was just kidding, Sylvia. I did not copy you. I saw the ingredients because you said you were making slime. And so after you're done making it, after you're done with your video, and I knew you were going to go downstairs next, so I decided to do that. And when you were downstairs, I heard you come up, and I got so scared that you were going to come in to that same room and steal all the ingredients. So I literally heard it. I just added everything in there. I was like, Daddy, I don't want mac and cheese. I want my dinosaur chicken nuggets. The cheese makes my belly hurt.
Dad, can you get me a napkin?
Yeah.
Yay.
Okay, so you know
And
what's
then
good.
maybe on Christmas Eve, we will do a 1K video with a challenge.
Turn that like snow.
With the challenge.
Okay, now I'm gonna put it down.
And it's gonna be super fun.
So this is my slime right now. Still sticky. I just don't want to add all my hands in because then when I add it, it's gonna be like strange and I can't get my hands out. So right now I just added activator so I can work together.
Move that to the side. Move my spoon and that to the side. Move everything to the side.
This is not really good. Those are all the eyeballs. So this is my eyeball slime.
No, eye slime.
Eye slime. Hey, Daddy, I made eye slime.
It's like I Spy.
It's eye slime.
Sally's gonna jump into the refrigerator.
Just to clarify, do not eat this. Even though I was trying to, I was like, but just to clarify,
Gonna add a little
do not
more.
eat it. So, do you want to make a part 2?
once it gets to 80,
80.
1804. It's to 1804. Like
Let's
13.
go 6.
So this is our slime.
Hers is not really done. Hers is still sticky.
Mm-hmm.
It's because that's soap. Wait, can I feel it?
It's sticky.
Hers feels like jelly. Every single one that she makes, it feels like jelly.
And that's what's
And mine is just like
good.
bouncy. Feels like a trash bag when you bounce it. And hear this. You can hear the googly eyes. Because I have little googly eyes in this. Like I showed you guys in the video. Googly eyes.
I have nothing in mine.
She just has a plain boring slime.
Hey, it's not boring.
Okay, she literally added soap, so it's not really boring. Hey Dad, can you give me a napkin? Thank you.
He never said sure though. I am the one you said about.
Ah. It's woo. So this is my slime. And I probably can do an eye slime.
I spy. And this is my slime.
An eye slime swirl. Here.
It reaches so far.
That's because it's rubbery.
It's so good.
Yours is better than mine.
And I'm trading none of my
This
slime.
is all I can get out of mine. It's a little poop.
And all of my slimes are good.
Do I'm gonna bring that slime.
That one you could take back. Because that one was a meanie to me.
So I made this slime for Christmas because it was one of my Christmas slimes.
Wait,
You want to see your last goodbyes?
because you can't even get it out.
Yes, I can. Well, I can. You probably can't. Because I'm its mom. Okay, Sophia?
But you're going to have to clean this bottom up.
I'm its mother, so don't be rude. Don't touch my towel. It's covered.
Can I see the activator?
You can come on here. So I got some of it out, but there's like an excess. Okay, don't touch it. You said you didn't want to play with it, little girl. Here's your activator. So it's like shiny.
Because it's shiny.
It's going to be my winter slime. This is going to be my winter snow slime. What should be the name?
Because it's shiny.
Daddy, can you tell me if this is a good slime? Can you tell me if this is a good slime? Get back.
Ah!
I like it because it's shiny.
Daddy, is this one a good slime? Hold on.
This is like glossy.
Mm-hmm. I'd have to give it a level 2.
You like my eye slime? Instead of eye, see? It's eye slime. How does she get hers like, and mine's like, I added eyeballs to it.
If you were a level 1, you'd know.
Because I have
Hey,
my
I'm
own
a level
ingredients.
4.
Because I have my own ingredients. I add 7 squirts of this, depending on how big it is. If it's like humongous, I add like
1,000.
I add 10 or 11. I add 10 or 12.
I'm over here playing with my Christmas slime.
And then whenever I then for the shaving cream gel, I
My
used,
dinosaurs. My dinosaurs.
I used like for this I used like 20 squirts to make it good. But for this, it was like in a normal bowl. I used 7 or 10 squirts.
Clean up, everybody clean up, clean
It
up.
was from 7 to 10 squirts.
Yeah, I know.
But then, this one, I used 7 squirts because it was only in a tiny bottle.
Normally in those tiny bottles, I normally add 2. But I don't like that soap for some reason. Sophia can use it. We'll buy Sophia maybe for Christmas. You can ask Santa if he can buy you that type of soap.
So this will be the end of the video. So bye.